Welcome to the SOLIDWORKS 2024 Manage What's New. Here are a few top enhancements I'd like to share with you. Last year, SOLIDWORKS 2023 brought us some great enhancements to tasks and timesheets. This year, SOLIDWORKS 2024 has now added the ability to configure working hours in timesheets. This further helps employers track the working hours and breaks of employees. You can even create a default template for other users to follow. The next enhancement will help you control task automations. Manage 2024 now has the ability to require a task completion inside of a process stage, thus giving you the control of individual task completion before a process can move forward. Lastly, Manage 2024 now has the ability to use eDrawings measure tool directly in the Manage preview window. You no longer need to browse to the file in PDM and use the measure tool in the preview there.